This video outlines in short, the steps to search and view an Annual Safety Report, or ASR. It also presents the selection process of the Safety Assessing Member State, or SAMS. In the Authority workspace, in the Annual Safety Reporting tab, you can view all the ASRs that you can access. On top, you can see the basic search functionality, the advanced search functionality, as well as the sorting functionalities. Below, in the search results, you can view some details regarding all the ASRs that you can access, such as the ASR ID, the Investigational Medicinal Product, or IMP, the ASR submission date, the sponsor organization that submitted it, and the Safety Assessment Member State, or SAMS, in case it has been selected. If not, it will be empty. By clicking on the ASR ID, you can access the ASR page. This page is composed by two sub-tabs, the ASR Submission sub-tab, and the Assessment sub-tab. In the ASR Submission sub-tab, you are able to view, on the top right corner, the information regarding the ASR such as the MSCs, the SAMS, in case it has been selected, the reporting period, and the status. This sub-tab follows the structure of the sections of the ASR submission form that sponsors filled in. First, you can see the sponsor details. Then, you can see the clinical trial details. And later, you can see the Annual Safety Report details, and submission documents. Scrolling up, on the Assessment sub-tab of the ASR page, you can view different sections. The SAMS selection table, the considerations regarding the ASR, the requests for information, the section where to include the information to finalize the assessment of the ASR, as well as a section listing all the assessment documents. Once an ASR is submitted, the MSCs receive a relevant notice, in the Notices and Alerts tab. At the same time, in the Tasks tab, the task Express Willingness, or Unwillingness is released to all MSCs. The task needs to be assigned to a user, to be performed. Once the task is assigned, you will be transferred to the appropriate working area. In the working area, you can see an overview of the task Express Willingness, or Unwillingness, and some basic information of the ASR, at the top. Below you can see the MSCs, listed. For each MSC, you can see their role, willingness and some data regarding their workload. The MSC with the lowest workload has been automatically appointed to be the candidate SAMS. In the willingness column, Austria has expressed unwillingness to be the SAMS, while the other two MSCs, Germany and Greece, have not expressed willingness, or unwillingness yet. Below the table, you can see the comments area, in which Austria and Greece have already inserted their comments. The MSCs can use that area to exchange comments. In this example, being a user for Germany, click on the colored label pending to express willingness or unwillingness. In the pop-up form, use the radio buttons to express willingness, or unwillingness. To activate the Save button, type the reason for your selection in the justification field below. Then, click the Save button. Your selection and the justification are recorded on the overview table. If you don't click on the Complete button, the other MSCs cannot see your selection, and you can still change your selection. You can also use the Comments field to type your comment. Use the Add Comment button to share it with the other MSCs. You can add more comments, if needed. Click the Complete button to complete the task and let your colleagues from other MSCs know your selection. Once all MSCs complete the task and if multiple MSCs are willing to be SAMS, none will be appointed to the role. A new task will be released in the Candidate SAMS Task tab, the Appoint SAMS task. This task won't be released to the other MSCs, only to the candidate SAMS. In this example, assign the task to yourself, to be transferred to the relevant working area. Two MSCs have expressed willingness. In this stage, no more comments can be added. The candidate SAMS can decide which MSC will be the SAMS, considering the MSC's selections and the comments. The candidate SAMS can select one of the other MSCs to be the SAMS, using the list of member states. Type the reason for appointment to activate the Complete button. Click on the Complete button to complete the task, and appoint one of the other MSC to be the SAMS. If the candidate SAMS wishes to be the SAMS, it needs to let the Appoint SAMS task expire without selecting any MSC from the list. This video is part of the CTIS training program. For more information on how to search, view, and assess an annual safety report, you may visit our training platform and our additional materials.